Hello and welcome to PPLIO. In this video, we will explore how to effectively analyze focus insights. Focus insights smartly help you understand how well you are staying focused at work. Start by navigating to the My Metrics tab in the Launchpad. Click on the Focus tab to view detailed insights. Here, you will find the Time, Activity, and Projects tabs. You can adjust the analysis period using the period filter that gives ample options like custom date, today, this month, and more. Under the Time tab, you can view all time-related insights, including total work time, idle time, and more. Additionally, PPLIO provides reliable observations. The summary chart helps you understand how well you are maintaining the minimum work hours configured by your organization. The Activity tab offers more granular insights into how you spend your work time, including your usage of different apps and your overall engagement level during the selected period. Through the Project tab, PPLIO provides a quick summary of how you spend time across various projects based on automated timesheet data gathered. It's also smart enough to assess how well you are focusing on core work, as defined by your organization's rules. Overall, Focus Insights help you quickly understand how well you are aligned with organizational goals and nudge you to stay on track for a better and more productive work experience. Thanks for watching.